Hi, this is Kannababu. This is part 9 of loops video. In this video, I want to discuss this program. Write a program to print star hash star 5 times. First of all, before that, I want to write a program to print star hash star. Right. So here let us say how to work with that. I'll open my Visual Studio Editor. So here I want to print star hash star. So here if you observe clearly, I want to rotate the loop. That is first time I want to print what? Star, second time hash, third time star, fourth time hash, fifth time star. So if you observe clearly, when I is equals to 1, I want to rotate the loop 5 times. So confidently you can write what? For loop. Is it clear? Rotate the for loop how many times? 5 times. Is it clear? Something like this. Right? So how to write the for loop? For int I is equals to 1. I is equals to 1. I less than equals to what? 5 I plus plus. I want to rotate the loop for 5 times. Is it clear? So when I is equals to 1, I want to print star. When I is equals to 1, 3 and 5, I want to print what? Star. When I is equals to 2, 4, I want to print hash. It means that when I is equals to odd number, I want to print star, else I want to print hash. So here I will write some code here. If I modulus 2, if I modulus 2 not equals to 0, is it clear? I want to print what? Right. If I is odd, I want to print what? Star. So here I will print something like console dot right line. I don't want to use right line because I want to place the cursor on the same line. Console dot right off, I want to print star. Else, here I will write something like else. Here I will write console dot right line. Else console dot right line off, I want to print what? Hash. Let us see here. Here you can what? Open your Visual Studio Editor. Here I will try to declare the namespace using system. And I will declare a class. The name of the class is A. And here I will declare the main method, static void main. And here I will paste the code. Now once press F5, check the output. Star hash star. And after this for loop, I want to print the cursor in the next line. Console dot right line off. Now what is my requirement? Next requirement. Write a program to print star hash. How many times? 5 times. So what to do? When I is equals to 1, when j is equals to 1, I want to print star hash. When j is equals to 2, I want to print star hash. Similarly 3, 4, 5. So keep this entire program inside another loop. So here I will write simply one more for loop. For int I is equals to, I will take int j. I will declare one more variable here. For int j is equals to 1. J less than or equals to what? 5. J plus plus. And instead of writing the same code 5 times, and you have to write this for loop how many times? 5 times. Instead of writing the same for loop 5 times, I am keeping this code inside another for loop. So when j is equals to 1, what is happening? The inner loop will rotate 5 times. Print star hash. When j is equals to 2, the inner loop will rotate 5 times. Something like that. And here one more point. I will try to throw the cursor in the next line. So here I will write. So press F5. I hope you understood. Star hash. Star hash. How many times? 5 times. This is my program. Program to print what? Star hash. How many times? 5 times. Is it clear? Now my second program. My second program is write a program to print what? Hash star. So what it means that here, first of all, I want to write a program to print hash star. Here hash is when I is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you observe clearly, when I is equals to 1 or 3 or 5, I want to print hash. And when I is equals to odd number, print hash. Even number, print star. So what I want to do here, let us see. Is it clear? So I'll write the program using system, or else first initially write the program here. What is my requirement? I want to print what? Hash star hash star hash. What is the meaning? When I is equals to 1, 3 and 5, I want to print hash. So I will write for int I is equals to what? 1. I want to rotate the loop 5 times. I less than equals to what? 5 I plus plus. I want to rotate the loop 5 times. So bracket open, bracket close. And here I want to check whether I is even or odd. If I modulus 2, if I modulus 2 is equals to 0, that is even. If I is even, I want to print what? Star. Else I want to print what? Hash. Else. Here I will write some code. Bracket open, bracket close. Are you following? What is the meaning of this? When I is equals to 1, 1 modulus 2 is equals to 0. Condition is what? False. Come outside. Go to else. Print what? Hash. When I is even, then print star. Else print hash. When I is even, I want to print what? Star. So here I will write console dot write off. I want to print star. Else I want to print hash. Is it clear? So this is my for loop. I will just copy this one and let us see here. Using system, I will declare a class A, and here I will declare static void main. Is it clear? Here I will try to paste it. Now after I will keep semicolon here, and here also semicolon. Is it clear? If I modulus 2, when I is even, I want to print what? Hash star. Else I want to print hash. Hash star hash. Yes. Now I want to print this this one how many times? I want to write the same code how many times? 5 times. Instead of writing the same code 5 times, you keep one more for loop. For int j is equals to 1, j less than equals to 5, j plus plus. And here bracket open, and here close your for loop. Are you following? And after this for loop, I will write console dot write line. So here you see hash star hash. I'm printing how many times? 5 times. I hope you understood. This is my program. When I is even, I want to print star. When I is odd, I want to print hash. But actual our main requirement is I want to print star hash star. Hash star hash. This is when I is equals to what? First of all, here you see this is my row. First row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row. And when I is equals to 1, 3, 5, I want to print star hash. When I is equals to even, that is 2, 4, I want to start with hash. So based on that, I have to write the code. So first, so initially I will write one for loop. For int I is equals to what? 1. I less than equals to what? 5. This is row actual. That is first row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row. Now I want to check. Right? So here I will write if I is equals to odd, I want to start star hash. So here I will check whether I is even or odd. If I modulus 2 is equals to 0, then it is even, else it is odd. If I is even, I want to print from hash star. And I will write one more for loop here. Is it clear? If I is even, I want to print hash star. So I will write one more for loop. For int j is equals to what? 1. J less than equals to what? 5. I want to rotate the loop 5 times, j plus plus. See, when I is even, I want to start with hash. That is, you consider this one as what? Second row. That is even. If it is even, again this is j. j1, j3, j5. And if j is odd, print hash, else print star. So here I will write the code. If j modulus 2 is equals to 0, print what? Star. Print console dot write off, print what? Star. Is it clear? Else print what? Hash. Is it clear? Similarly, here also I will add one more for loop. For int k, k is equals to 1, k less than equals to what? 5. Is it clear? K plus plus. Here I will write if else part means I is what? Odd. Means I want to start with star. 1, k, this is k1, k3, k5. Print star, else print hash. And if k is odd, print star. If k modulus 2 is equals to 0, means k is even here. Then print what? Hash. Print hash. Is it clear? Else print what? Console dot write off star. Hope you understood. Press F5. Check the output. So one more point here. So here after for loop, I will try to write console dot write line. And here also after for loop, I will throw the cursor to the next line. Here you see I want to rotate the loop 5 times. Here you just do a small modification. I less than equals to 5. So press F5. So this is our final program. I hope you understood. For more videos, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and Facebook group. Thank you. Have a nice day.